Hi everyone, I'm Kayla with Dirt Road Dancing, and today I've got a fun, easy line dance for you guys. It is called Country Bump. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. If you want to learn some more fun line dances with us, just subscribe right down below. Let's get started. Let's get started with that first 8 count. We're going to start with the grapevine to the right, and how that will work is you step out with your right foot, behind with the left, out with the right, together with the left. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the left side. So step out with the left, behind with the right, out with the left, together with the right. Now let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do that second set of 8 counts. We're going to start with just walking backwards with that right leg first. Go right back, left, left together. Then we're going to bring our right toe out, then bring it in. Same thing on the left side, left toe out, bring it in. Now let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put those first 16 counts together. We're going to start with a grapevine to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's get into that third set of 8 counts. We're going to start with a rocking chair. So how that works is you'll step forward with that right foot, recover back onto that left foot, step your right foot back, and then recover weight on that left foot again. Now we're going to change walls. We're facing this wall right now, but we want to face our left wall. And how we're going to do that is step forward with that right foot, bring the weight back on your left foot as you face the corner of the room. Do that again, bring your right foot forward and step back onto the left foot. You should be fully facing this left wall. It'll look a little bit like this. So rock, recover, just baby steps. Now let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put those first 24 counts together, starting with the grapevine to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do that last set of 8 counts. We are going to be doing this 8 count facing this wall, but just so you can see what my boots are doing, I'm going to face this way. We're going to be doing some hip bumps and hitches. So you're going to have that weight on your left foot from the last 8 count, and you're going to transfer it over to that right with your hips, then transfer back to the left, back to the right again, and then bring that left foot up for a hitch. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Bring that foot down and the weight over onto your left, back to the right, back to the left, and hitch that right knee up. So again, it'll be right, hitch, left, hitch. Now let's put some counts behind that. I'm going to face the correct wall for this part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put all 32 counts together, starting with that grapevine to the right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys! I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now, if you want to dance it out, click the link right here and join me. Otherwise, I will see you on the dance floor.